Purpose and impact of the I Am Cooperation and Harmony Award. The purpose of the I Am Cooperation and Harmony Award is to honor those who are committed to promoting joy, creativity, and social unity through the arts. By recognizing these efforts, the award aims to inspire others to engage in creative and collaborative initiatives and highlight the transformative impact of the arts on community well-being. This award can significantly impact by, number 1, showcasing innovative and collaborative artistic practices. Number 2, encouraging community members to value and participate in creative endeavors and social advancement. Number 3, providing recognition and support to artists and organizers who often work behind the scenes. And number 4, demonstrating to sponsors the vital role of creativity and collaboration in community empowerment. Nominate a hero at higherselfawards.org.
Tehu Community Development.
Real estate investment loans for fix and flips, rehab loans, bridge loans, new construction loans, or a purchase of 1 to 4 unit rentals and multiple family rentals, 75% to 92% loan to value, credit score of 680 or higher. Visit us at tehucommunity.com or call us at 877-702-2228 about our other financial products for your business.
Your business is our priority.